So which of the following resources are renewable? Okay, which one can we have? Do we have infinite amounts of? Well, hopefully you understand that we don't have infinite amounts of copper ore or aluminium ore. That's why we should be recycling. So A and B are not correct. Now C, if A and B are not correct, then A and B can't be correct either, so it can't be C, which leaves D. Neither A nor B is a renewable resource, which is true. Neither A or B can be considered a renewable resource. Which of these steps is not involved in the recycling of aluminium? Okay, so collection, we obviously have to collect the aluminium, so that's a step involved in recycling. We've got to clean it. We've got to get rid of all the, soft drink and, labels and things on the aluminium. So B is definitely part of it. Then we've got to melt it down so we can cast it into ingots so that people can use them. So C is definitely something that we have to do. But of course, if we're recycling it, we don't have to mine it, so it can't be mining. So D is the correct answer. Okay, we don't mine it when we recycle it. That's the whole point of recycling, to avoid having to mine it. The products of the reaction between aluminium and cold water. Okay, if you've ever seen aluminium in cold water, you should know that it's A, nothing happens. Because if you imagine your aluminium can, if you imagine a reaction happening with your aluminium can, it's got essentially cold water in it, but actually more precisely, it's got cold acid in it. So it should have a very strong reaction if any of these are true. Okay, but obviously you sit with your can of drink and you drink it and there's no problem. So that means there must be no reaction with the water in the soft drink. Okay, so just try to build up your experience with chemistry by looking at things that you see in everyday life. So that's how I learned about chemistry. I thought about things that I see in everyday life. So these things can't be true because I sit and drink, Coke out of a can pretty frequently, and I've never seen hydrogen come out of it or my can being eaten away by the Coca-Cola. So just try to use stuff you've seen in everyday life and it'll help you understand what's happening in chemistry.